Hello, today I will be really quickly showing you guys how to install the Friendship Bracelet by JustJaime quickly, so let's get started. The first three things you need is the Friendship Bracelet itself, Unity package, the Avatars 3.0 Manager, and the latest version of Poiyomi. And once you have those imported, we can get started. The first thing we're going to do in Unity is go into the folder. We're going to click and drag the prefab into our avatar, and we are going to right click and unpack the prefab completely. Now we're going to drop down the prefab and open up the Friendship Bracelet. Here we'll see all the left and right different charms, contacts, and particles. We're going to choose which one we want to keep and which one we're going to delete. I'm going to keep the right ones, so I will be deleting the left ones. Now you're going to want to open up the particles and choose which one you want to keep and which one to delete. We can now begin to move the bracelet wherever we want to. So it is important to note here that if we're moving the bracelet, we have to move the entire component. But if we are scaling it, we have to scale only the bracelet itself and not everything. That is important to making sure all of the contacts stay in the right area. So I'm going to click here in here to scale it, and this will only scale the bracelet. But then if I want to move it again, I have to click back here and move the whole thing. And that is just something important to note. And once we have it in the right area, and we're happy with it, we can go into our armature and look for the corresponding bone that we've put the bracelet on. So I am going to put mine on the left elbow because it's on the left elbow bone. And once I am happy with it, I can still make some changes. Once I'm happy with it, I just hit activate. We can now merge our FX layers. So we're going to open up Avatars 3.0 Manager, and we're going to click and drag our avatar and put it into the correct area. Now we're going to drop down the FX layer and click Add Animator to merge. We will open the controllers folder and click and drag the Bracelet FX and put it into the animator. Now we have two options here. We have the option to merge on new and merge on current. I would merge on new if you're unsure if this bracelet will work on your avatar or not. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to merge on current. Now we can check our animator to make sure that it has indeed been successfully merged. And now we are ready to upload and try the bracelet out in game. I'd like to thank you for watching. For additional help and support, please join the Discord and submit a ticket to JJ Technical Support. And yeah, bye.